Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the markets. Currently 4:15 p.m. May 26, 2021, Wednesday, hump day. NVIDIA earnings right now haven't come out. Actually, I was holding off. I have to leave, and I was trying to hold off for these earnings to come out and see what happened, but I think they're either 4:15 or 4:30 or 4:25. I don't know. I'll probably miss them because I'm going to scoot over to what I have going on. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you are new, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. Really chill day. Sat back, had a little action this morning, and then I was just waiting for a couple news play to show up, and it really didn't. You can see the markets 10 on the Dow, 80 on the NASDAQ, and 7 on the SPX. Now we're talking about a day today of, I guess, Wall Street bet stocks were moving, and that's how I got my day started. Actually, I actually started with GME. Missed out on a bigger move. This is a 5-minute candle, so I missed out like on a 34 entry, and actually rose to 43 and only got a little bit out of it. It's a very whippy stock. I just didn't really want to start my day with a flush of GME with 100 shares, like 5 points, you know, and I'm down $500 or something like that. That's extreme. But that's pretty much how that's set up. Now, ANVS was a stock in play last week, and it was called in one of my rooms as a, hey, get in this thing as he's going to move. I kind of jumped in small because I know this thing is crazy. I only went with 50 shares. And it just, of course, I got the top of this candle pulled back enough. I probably should have taken the back through 51, and then it ripped up to 54.50. So the call was there. The entry was poor. It wasn't a news play or anything. So I don't know. Facebook, my most troubled stock, I think. Yes, I have my issues with Tesla, but Facebook is definitely one of those ones where I really struggle with. Beyond, you know, it's set up several times today. It's just not trading like it used to, where it goes through certain price points and then it kind of pulls back, goes through a price point, pulls back. So on a day like today, you have to be able to ride the EMA, and then obviously it came down to this VWAP location and started doing it again, even went down to the 21. But when the markets are kind of choppy like they are right now, Beyond was tough, and I just kind of get out with a small loss. NTR was a quick news event. Allstate was a quick news event. EH was a quick pop. RCL was a quick news event. QS was a news event. RAP was a news event. Tesla, I nailed a pretty good 2-minute entry on that. And then Peloton was a news event. So I did have a bunch of news trades, small gainers. I wasn't going heavy in any of them. I didn't feel like the follow through was there. I think QS was decent if I had gone a little bit. Nah, this was the QS news here. Allstate, maybe I was late to this party here. I kind of got in on the late party part and just got out with a small gain there. RAP was decent. You just got to size in properly here. There was a shooting, unfortunately, in California. And, you know, if you're not sized in properly, it's hard to make some nice gains because you're only looking at a 20-cent move potentially on that thing. Peloton had never really circulated across multiple channels, but it was actually a short trade because there was a hack or something on their database of clients. So that's always good. And, you know, finished the day 262. I didn't trade any options today. I avoided Tesla options, avoided Amazon. I just feel like I need to sit away from the options trading for a little bit. And if I'm going to trade Tesla, I can trade 100 shares of Tesla with my buying power. So, you know, I feel like that's a fair risk level, 100 shares for Tesla, because you can move, you know, I'm not going to make as much if it does make a good move. But at the same time, I feel like it's comfortable level for Tesla, and it still keeps me in the game. Like Amazon, I could probably only trade like 30 or 40 shares with buying power, and that just doesn't make sense for me. So unless Amazon's really setting up clean and the markets are in the, you know, the perfect green light scenario, I'm just going to sit off those things and trade what other stocks that do set up. I'm definitely going to avoid Facebook and I don't know. NVIDIA news must be coming out here. looking at the NVIDIA. I don't have it. I'm looking at my tweet deck. I don't have my news squawk going right now because I'm doing the video. So usually when you see this kind of up down to 619, see, this is why I'm just gonna avoid it. Hope you guys do well. Anyway, again, finished the day on the positive side after a good day Monday, down day yesterday, and back at it today. So I'm in pretty good shape for the week so far. If I can get a good day tomorrow, maybe a good news event, find a good opening trade. You know, GME is not the stocks I want to be trading in the morning, but it moved 31 points today. So if it's in play, you trade what's in play. You know, Apple is not in play. AMD is not in play. This PDD was interesting because I really liked it at the morning. And guess what? Earnings came out 136.50, end of the day near the lows at like 123.50. And not to mention the SPY. Opened at 419 and it closed about 419. So we did have some movement in here. This, like, when you have these moves down and these gradual climbs up, it did set up some trades early on, and then everything just went to crap. So be on the lookout for some good trading action the rest of the week, hopefully, and I will be back. You guys have a good night, and I'll talk to you soon. Make sure you subscribe if you're new, like the video, share the video, and comment.